Hello everyone, this is Sonali Korane from Ajinkya Techno space, and today we are going to discuss here a very important topic, that is offset function. So offset is a relative distance from a particular position, okay, in general terms. So what offset functions do, today we will be discussing over here. So let me create some raw data over here. Suppose here I'm taking some days, I'm dragging these days till, let me take it till Saturday, and here I'm taking class 1 till class, let it be till class 5, and here I'm taking it 20. Let me drag this data also. I'm filling series, and I'm keeping the last row as blank. Fill series. So this is the data. Now let me highlight this using yellow color. Let me highlight this also. This is the column heading. Okay, so suppose here I need to calculate offset. Here sum of last 3 rows in Wednesday. Okay, I'm wrapping this text, and here also sum of last 4 columns in class 3. Okay, and here also I'm wrapping text. Okay, let me highlight this with some different color. Yeah, let me use some different colors so I can distinguish among all of them. I shall use some different highlighter. Here also I shall use some different highlighter. So here I need to calculate the offset. So what is the offset? Offset is the intersection of row and column. Suppose I want to put this value over here. So what is the cell number here? It's E3. So what I can do is, one of the technique is I can put it like this. But I don't want to do it like this. I want the intersection of rows and columns. So what I will do is, I will put in formula called offset, and here I will be putting the reference, that is day. The day my data is starting from day, so here I will be putting the starting point, comma, rows. So what are the rows? So I want to put this 24. Okay, before doing this, let me highlight that particular value, whatever I want here. I'm highlighting it. Okay, I want this 24 over here, equals to offset, and again I will be giving the reference as day, comma, which row it is. If I count it normally, so it comes third row, but my data is starting from row 1, and so row 1 will be 0, indexing will start from 0, so 24 is in second row. So this is the second row, and column will be, column A is the 0th column, column B is this first column, C second, D third, and E is the fourth column. So I will put here fourth column, and I will ignore all other parameters. Okay, enter. So I'm getting 24 over here. Okay, let me try for some other value. Let me highlight this value here. Suppose I want this value over here. So what I will do is offset. Again, my data is starting from here. And now here row number is 0, 1, 2, 3. Row number is 3. And column number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Column number is 5. So this way I'm getting 26. Okay. So I have got all those two values over here. So now what I will do is I want to calculate sum of last 3 rows in Wednesday. So for that I will be using offset function, and the reference will be again this one. Okay. Now I will be using count a function. Count a function returns the number of non-empty rows in a particular column. Okay, so I want last 3 rows in Wednesday. So I will just select whole data till class 5. Although there is no data in class 5, still I'll be selecting it, and I'll be saying minus 3. Why? Because we want the sum of last 3 rows. That's why I'm doing minus 3, comma column. How many columns? What is the column number for Wednesday? It is 0, 1, 2, 3. So we'll be putting the column number, comma. What is the height of data? Height of data, we are adding last 3 rows. That's why height is 3. And what is the width of data? We are adding only one column. So width is 1. Okay. So now the formula is not over. Here we want sum. That's why we'll put up sum over here. And here also. So I'm getting 72. So let me calculate. Last 3 rows are 23, 24 and 25. If I add these values, so what I'm getting, let me verify this. What I'm getting, D3 to D5, it's 72. It means my answer is correct. Suppose I'm inserting some data over here. Here I'm inserting some data. So I'm inserting 10. So I'm getting the sum of 24, 25 and 10. So adding 24, 25 and 10, what we will get? We will get 59. If the data is not here, so we'll get 72. This is the magic of count a function. Now we will try for columns. The same thing we will try for columns. Again, we are using offset function. Okay, the reference will start from again this A1, comma, what is the row number? Row number, we are saying class 3. So row number is 0, 1, 2, 3. Row number is 3. And again, we are using count a function for columns because we will be adding the values for last 4 columns. So count a, and again we'll be selecting the whole range of class 3, and we'll be saying minus 4 because we want last 4 columns. That's why we'll be saying minus 4, comma, what is the height? Because we are adding only one row, so height will be 1, and because we are adding 4 columns, last 4 columns, that's why the width will be 4. That's it. And here again we want sum. That's why we'll be using sum function. Enter. So we are getting 102. Let me calculate the sum here for class 3 equals to sum. And what are the last 4 columns? These are the last 4 columns. Okay, let me add this. I'm getting 102. That's fine. So this was the offset function which we can use to calculate sum of rows, multiple rows and columns together, and by calculating the relative distance. Okay. So one thing you need to understand is here the row number starts from 0 and column number starts from 1, and the starting reference will always be same. So thanks for watching my video. If you like it, you just like it, comment anything, and give your feedback, and please subscribe for my channel. Visit my website www.ajinkyaTechnospace.in and follow me on Facebook, Ajinkya Technospace. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.